Hello everybody, this is Shraddha from eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. Today's event was a great success because of you all, because we got a very good response from everyone. Even before the start of the event, so many people have registered, and I think you all enjoyed the session on YouTube and Zoom both. I think 4,800 people viewed the session live on YouTube, and almost close to 1,000 people were there on Zoom. But only thing what has happened, many people are messaging and emailing also to us and asking, also calling. We started immediately after the event, we started getting so many calls asking for the attendance link. What happened is too many people attended, and Zoom app got hanged because people were like messaging back to back. We were not even getting chance to reply. So I think thanks for the overwhelming response, but today we couldn't share the attendance link with you. Because of that reason, I think everyone could not get access to the attendance link. Hence what we are doing is, tomorrow's event, immediately after you come at 4 o'clock, you'll be getting attendance link for today's session. So tomorrow, once the session is starting, you'll be filling the attendance link first for the previous day, and at the end of tomorrow's session you will be getting another attendance link on which you can fill the attendance for the second day. So please do not panic if you have not filled the attendance. I hope you all will get the attendance link tomorrow. And thank you very much for the overwhelming response. Many of you are asking about internship. So currently, due to COVID-19, immediate internships we are not offering, but to everyone. Yes, of course, on the third day we have a test based on few questions would be asked maybe, and our technical team will decide that who gets the internship. That's how it is. So on the third day, you will come to know that who are those 8 to 10 people minimum who will be doing online internship with us. Apart from that, everyone will get certificate, those who attend all the 3 days. And for tomorrow's session, we will be keeping question answers. I mean, chat will be off tomorrow. For throughout the session, it will be off, because if we keep it on, then there are chances that it may hang, because there are too many people who are attending the session. So I hope you understand. If you have any queries, keep it reserved for the third day, or tomorrow after the event is over, after the complete technical session is over, Mr. Sandeep may choose to dedicate half an hour specifically for queries. And apart from that, you can always email us on info@e-construct.in, or WhatsApp us on 9036744017, and we'll surely revert back to your queries. Only thing, allow us some time. We will revert back to you in working hours from Monday to Friday, morning 10:30 to evening 7. You will get the reply. Allow us some time, because there are, after today's session, this particular number is completely bombarded with so many messages, and we are unable to reply to everyone at a time. So that's the main reason I'm making this video, to tell you a big thank you from the team of eConstruct for overwhelming response given to this particular event. That's first thing. And second thing, let's reserve question answers for the third day or after the event. And apart from this, as far as the certification and attendance link is concerned, we will share it with you tomorrow in the tomorrow's session. As far as internships are concerned, yes, of course, 8 to 10 lucky people will get the internship, but that session will be on the third day. And I don't want to reveal that what would be the selection criteria, but I would say that you will come to know, it's a secret. You can just come for the third day and you will come to know that how the selection process would be. 10 people will get internship in online with eConstruct on the third day. So I'm looking forward to successfully finishing this 3 day of workshop with all of you. Happy learning till then, and thank you very much.